that. But aside from that, just generally speaking, you know, it works very well with the entire ecosystem or ecosystem. And the fact that it's got Wi-Fi on this minuscule thing is fantastic. The only other drawback is if you're not good at soldering stuff, if you want to solder in one of those pin boards, it'll be a little bit complicated. But I do believe that at a higher price, you can buy this same thing with the pins already soldered onto the board. After working really hard at it, I was able to do this once. And so I was able to create my own little computer system here. This has Vision, which means it's connected inside here with a Raspberry Pi cam. And so I'm not lying, I promise I'm not lying. You guys can see.
Likey.